All right, next up is Ryan going to take a shot at this gold standard basketball. One box, 15-16 style. Good luck, man. All right, number 279. Swaggy P, Nick Young. Mello, 299. AI to 299. Brandon Knight to 299. Oh, that's a filthy looking patch autograph. Number 10 of 25, Terry Rozier. Boston Celtics. A lot of Celtics cards coming out of these cases. All right, then we got Bobby Portis. Jersey autograph number to 49. And we got a Curry autograph. It's not Steph, it's Seth. Gold scripts number 299. All right, Ryan, as always, buddy, I appreciate it. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.